Kyle Clinic, take 2. Hi, I'm Kyle with Gozney, here to introduce the all-new Dome Gen 2 family. The Dome can do 2 10-inch pizzas or a 16-inch pizza and multiple cast irons. The Dome XL can cook 3 10-inch pizzas, 2 12-inch pizzas, or accommodate an 18-inch pizza, as well as cooking multiple cast iron pans to do a full meal for your family. Both ovens can cook with wood, charcoal, or gas. 3 layers of space-age insulation coupled with a 30mm stone allows for back-to-back pizzas with 0 recovery time. Both Dome and Dome XL have a new extended flue that comes standard, reducing emissions and decreasing the soot in the front of your oven, as well as a decreased heat up time than the previous generation, allowing you to cook pizza in 30 minutes from ignition. The all-new display will show both air and stone temperature, as well as 2 meat probes to record internal temperatures of multiple dishes. And a timer allows you to time your heat up time or your cooks. Unlike the previous Dome, the lateral burner flame on the new generation of Dome increases floor space, but can also be turned down lower for slower bakes. Both Dome and Dome XL have replaceable stones and fully serviceable parts, so you can feel secure with your purchase. Both Dome and Dome XL are available in bone and off black. Let's talk about accessories. Introducing the Wood Fire Control Kit, a new way to unlock versatility when cooking with wood. This fan mechanism will turbo boost your fire to increase your flame. The Wood Fire Control Module inserts in the side of the oven. It comes with 2 batteries that are the same as the ones used with the display and charged with USB-C, as well as a new, updated, and burly wood rack. The all-new Dome stand. This stand works for both the Dome and the Dome XL with larger, sturdy butterfly wings and increased storage space for your accessories, your door, or even some more wood. It's got casters for putting it away after use or shifting it if there's any sort of wind. 1 stand, 2 ovens. The all-new Dome door, 1 specific for the Dome and 1 for the Dome XL. This is perfect for your slow roast, cooking with wood, charcoal, or doing pan pizzas. It is not intended to be used with a gas flame. Introducing the all-new Dome mantle that comes in 2 sizes, 1 for the Dome, 1 for the Dome XL. Increasing your floor space, giving you more security to rest your cast irons for seasoning or just removing it from direct heat. The all-new Neapolitan arch comes in 2 sizes, 1 for the Dome and the other for the Dome XL. By decreasing the opening of the oven, it turbocharges the flame, getting your oven hotter for perfect Neapolitan pizza. To protect your investment, we have covers for both the Dome and the Dome XL. An oven-only cover that will cover just the oven, and then a full length for covering the Dome and the Dome stand. Same for the XL. This will fit with the extended flue as well as with the mantle on. Whether it's Dome or Dome XL, these are the most versatile ovens in the market. Thanks for watching, and contact your local territory manager or go to gozney.com for more information. Thanks. Great. It's a new era of live fire cooking.